In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect the Shopify Add to Cart or Buy Now button to an external link by modifying your theme's code. This is a useful trick if you want to send your customers directly to another page or a partner site to complete their purchase. So let's dive in and make this happen. First things first, you need to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, look for the online store section in the sidebar and click on it. You should then see a themes option. This is where all the magic begins. In the theme section, make sure you're working with your current theme, the one that's currently active or published. Then, find the Actions button, click on it, and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the code editor where you can make changes to your theme files. Now, the next step is to locate the file responsible for the product page layout. This file is typically named product.liquid, or sometimes product template, liquid, depending on your theme. You might need to dig through a couple of folders, usually under sections or templates, but take your time and you'll find it. Once you have the correct file open, we need to identify the part of the code that generates the Add to Cart or Buy Now button. Generally, this piece of code will include attributes like type submit and name add. This is key because it helps you pinpoint exactly where the button's functionalities are defined. Now comes the important bit, replacing the button with a link. We do this by using a tag instead of the standard button tag. The tag will redirect users to your specified external URL. So you'll write something like this: Buy Now. This simple alteration turns the button into a clickable link that retains the visual styling of a button, thanks to the class BTN. Additionally, you can always refine this by adding more classes to further match your site's aesthetic. Feel free to explore and play around with different styles to achieve a seamless blend with your existing design. Once you've made these changes, remember to save the file. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and, more importantly, live on your Shopify store. Before concluding, it's always a good idea to test your modifications. Head over to your store, navigate to a product page, and give your new button a click. You should see your page redirect to the external link you specified, just as we planned. That wraps up our guide for today. You've just learned how to effectively redirect the Shopify Add to Cart or Buy Now buttons. This method opens up a myriad of possibilities for your marketing strategies, enhancing the overall functionality of your online store. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.